Now, when you look at the amount of force required to cause a concussion injury, the G-forces that have been studied, if you look at, there was a systematic review in 2016 that looked and reviewed all of the impact-related data that we got from helmet sensors, all of these studies, and this is over 1.5 million impacts to the head. And what they did is looked at how much force it took to cause concussion, and in all of those impacts, the mean linear force required to cause concussion was 98 G's of linear acceleration and 5,700 rads per second squared, which is the rotational component. When you compare that, so that's acceleration of the head and the brain that's required to cause concussion. If you look at what's involved to cause whiplash, it's actually only 4.5 G's. So you're talking an injury that requires 98 G's to your head and only 4.5 G's to your neck. Well, if your head is getting almost 100 G's of acceleration during an impact, your neck is taking at least 4.5. Therefore, every single concussion that occurs will always have some element of whiplash involved in it, some sort of mild strain injury of the neck. And when you compare the symptoms of whiplash and the symptoms of concussion, they are literally identical. Both injuries will include headache, dizziness, balance problems, cognitive disturbances, memory and concentration impairments, fatigue, psychological disturbances. Every single symptom is a component of both whiplash and concussion.